In this video, we are going to look at symmetry. So, we're going to look first at rotational symmetry, because I'm guessing you already know all about line symmetry and mirror lines. So we're going to focus ourselves on rotational symmetry. Now, if we look at this shape here, it has rotational symmetry order 3, because I can rotate it 1, 2, 3 times into 3 different positions, and the shape will appear the same. If we look at a square, this is going to have rotational symmetry of order 4, because I can rotate it 4 different ways and it will appear the same. Moving this further on, have a think about a rectangle. Well, if I rotate it like this, it's not the same as it was before. But if I rotate it all the way around 180 degrees, it is. And then back to the start, there are 2 versions of that shape when rotated that look the same, so it has order rotational symmetry of 2. A hexagon, unsurprisingly, has a rotational symmetry of order 6. This shape, if you count the sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, has rotational symmetry order 8, because there are 8 different ways you can rotate it, and the shape looks the same. This shape has rotational symmetry order 2. If I rotate it round, it looks the same there as it does here. So that's going to be order 2. This shape, now it has no lines of reflection. Let's just start off by looking at lines of reflection. That is not a line of reflection. Definitely not. There's no lines of symmetry. However, it does have rotational symmetry, because when I rotate this round, if you watch the blue squares, when it's rotated round, they do go to their original positions. So that has rotational symmetry 1, 2, 3, and then back to its original position 4. So you need to be very careful to spot that when you're looking. It's not obvious. This shape also has rotational symmetry order 4. If you watch what happens when they move, they get to the same position every time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, this is a difficult challenge. Shade in some squares so that this shape has rotational symmetry order 4. It's not obvious, especially initially, where the squares lie, but the answer is here. So this is the square that is best shaded in. Now, if we just group that together and rotate it, if you look where the bottom right square rectangle is now, this is going to go there, isn't it? There we go. 1, 2, 3, and back round to the start. 4. Shade in some squares so that this shape has rotational symmetry of order 4. Okay, well, we can have a go at that. So let's think about that one in the top left here. Where would that go? If we rotated it around the center, it's going to go here. More challenging to find is this square here. Where's that going to go if we rotate it? And it is in fact going to go here. But of course, we need to do 2 more squares in the bottom left corner. So one is going to go here, like that. The other square is going to go here. Now, when we rotate this, we should see that the squares move to the correct position around. 1, 2, 3, and back to the starting position. 4. Okay, that's all you need to know on rotational symmetry. We won't be discussing line symmetry here. That's just mirror lines. That should be all you need to access the exercise below.